What's going on, fellas? This morning I'm gonna wash this puppy out because man, filthy. This thing is freaking McNasty. So I'm gonna wash her out because she's in need of some tender loving care. And I'm not talking about my wife either. I'm talking about the truck. So I'm gonna wash her out right now. She's filthy. Look at that. Look at that. That son of a biscuit. Dirty. We'll see how she comes out after this. My freaking emblem on the bottom, it freaking came off. I had one of them on that one. Freaking killed it. I don't know how, but I'm gonna wash her out right now. Nasty, so I'm gonna give her some loving, tender care right now. Just in case you guys want to know what truck wash I'm at Fontana, fellas, right behind the Three Sisters. You got Peterbilt over there, you got Three Sisters, and then you got this one right here. Don't like washing my truck anywhere else. These guys do a very good job on doing it. So I'll show you guys what this beast looks like afterwards. Be right back. Well, fellas, here you go. She is washed. Bad thing is that I gotta put my truck in gravel, but there she is, nice and clean. Freightliner. Put some armor on that, on the rubber. So looking good, looking good. By the way, the reason why I washed it because I'm gonna go through the scale Monday and get it inspected because if you can see, that sticker's already due. So I'm gonna get an inspection. What the hell is all this? Oh my god. Don't you just hate it when you wash your truck and you got water streaks still? But that is my truck wash. That's where I like to take my truck, to get her washed. So not bad, huh, fellas? Alright, fellas, well, I just thought I'd show off a little bit. We'll talk to you guys. We'll see you guys on our next video.